Welcome, children. Today we will continue with our chapter Caring for our air. We were doing technical methods to control air pollution. We have done bag filters and cyclone separator. Today we will be doing wet scrubber and electrostatic precipitator. Now let's know about wet scrubber. Wet scrubbers are very effective air pollution control device. They are very effective air pollution control device because they can collect both particulate matter and gas in a single system alone. In a wet scrubber, suspended particulate matter are removed from the polluted gas stream by blending them properly with water. In a wet scrubber, the polluted gas stream is sprayed with lime water to neutralize the acid gas. The gas passes through the mist or moisture absorber. The dry gas is free from the acidic gases. A dry scrubber uses lime power to remove the acidic gases. The inlet also have filter to trap the suspended particulate matter. So, special features of wet scrubber are: they are effective air pollution control device. They control gaseous pollutant, especially acidic gases, using the power of lime. They also remove suspended particulate matter and are capable of handling high temperature and moisture. Electrostatic precipitator. It is highly efficient device to control air pollution. Electrostatic precipitator. It is highly efficient device to control air pollution. The electrostatic precipitator works on the principle of electrostatic precipitation, that is, electrically charged particulates present in the polluted gas are separated from the gas stream under the influence of the electrical field. Electrostatic precipitator is highly efficient device that can trap even very fine dust particles. It removes 99% of pollutants. It consumes less energy. It can handle large amount of dust particles, for example, from the thermal power plants which emit a large quantity of fly ash. Children, let's understand the working of electrostatic precipitator. The polluted gas enters from the bottom, flows upward. The high voltage in the wire ionizes the gas. The negative ions migrate towards the grounded surface and pass on their negative charge to the dust particles also. Then these negatively charged dust particles are electrostatically drawn towards the positively charged collector surface, where they finally get deposited. Children, the metal plates have opposite charge and hence the particles stick to it. Knocking of these plates make the particles fall into the hooper tray. Electrostatic precipitator is very economical and simple to operate compared to other devices. So children, once again go through this video and try to understand about the wet scrubber and electrostatic precipitator. Thank you children. Try to take initiative to reduce air pollution and keep smiling.